Well guys, you wanted an update on the 350 frame swap. Frame swap is done. Sorry for the delay. Frame swap is done. Now it's had a problem with starting it. I think it was a ground wire. Was that a ground wire, Pop?
Yeah.
It was a ground wire. So once you put that ground wire in and you change the fuel pump, might as well, you're there. But this thing is clean, 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 clean. Put the drive shaft in. We'll start it up. It's with a V10 with 43,000 miles sound like. I think he's putting straight pipes on this bad boy. Just got a couple more things. There's the bed. Gonna fix up the bed a little bit. Clean it all up, paint it, which will have some future contents of the frame swap. Yeah. I did a custom paint job too. Oh yeah. So, gonna fix this bed.
Driveway rebuild.
Driveway rebuild. Yeah, this is the redneck edition. It's done though. Let's show you underneath. So stay tuned. You have some more, a lot of great content coming up. Especially we're putting this puzzle back together, finishing it up. There's not much left here. Just doing the brakes, putting the caliper on there, put some shocks, throw the bed on, paint it, do the body work, paint it, and maybe he'll drive it. On this one, this is his new truck, 5.4. Put that exhaust on. This, ever looking for a Flowmaster, something like that, get the FX one. Is actually really good. It's not too loud. It's not crazy. It's actually really, really, really good. I put that on as a gift from my father-in-law. Let me borrow the truck. And then he didn't like the way I did it, so he took it down and did it himself. But the thing sounds nasty. Which I'll make a video of this, how it sounds too. Alright guys, till next video.